So this is a demo video of ServerSinc's full features so far. So as you can see here, I've got a list of servers that I've been creating through the app so far. So if I click on create server here and type in the server name and select DigitalOcean, the region that I want to make the server in, the size, and any keys that I'd like to add. In this case, I'm going to add an existing one. And then click create server, and then we'll see it flick onto the provisioning server screen. Now this process here takes several minutes to run through. So now the server's been deployed, I'm going to actually deploy an application to that server. So I click add application, and what it does here is load all of the repos from your GitHub account. So in this case, we want one called Test Express API. There we go. Type in Test Express API. We want to deploy it from the master branch, and in this case, we just want to run npm install, as it's just a JavaScript project, not a TypeScript one. So in this case, we just need to do index.js, and we want to launch it on that part. So we click create application, and then we just wait for it to flick to the next screen to tell us that it's been deployed. So we see here that the application's been deployed at almost 20 to 4, and we can check that it's been deployed by going back to our server, copying the IP here, and typing in the ports, and we can see here that we have 5 Simpsons characters. Now this last one is null because it actually loads it from the environment variables. So I'll show you how to do that with the application. So if we go back into the application, we go to settings and environment variables. Here we can put in character, and I'll put in, let's say, Chief Wiggum, for example, and let's add the environment variable. Now to actually get this into the application, we need to trigger another deploy. So we triggered another one, and if we refresh the page here, we can see that it's now in action. And there we go, we had to refresh the page again, but it has been deployed. So if we go back to our application here and refresh, we can now see that we have Chief Wiggum as one of the characters. So we can also attach a domain to an application. So if I click on this box here and type in ServerSinc.io and save the changes, and we'll also click the enable SSL button and just wait a few seconds before actually navigating to this domain, we can see that we now have test.serversinc.io and our application running there.